Wait, Andromo? Yes, that's right, Andromo, the #1 online no-coding Android app maker. Are you a business owner or individual looking to create a mobile app, but you lack technical knowledge? With Andromo, you can create your own smart, engaging mobile apps within minutes. No coding, no kidding. Create a professional developer quality app faster than you can say. You got it, Andromo. Andromo automatically does all the coding for you. Plus, it comes with a wide range of powerful features, all with just the click of a button. You click, they click. Your profits go cha-ching. It's all about the sound effects. But don't take our word for it. Give it a try to see. Build your first app 100% free. It's on us. And it comes with all the pro features. None of this only in the paid version malarkey. Andromo. Build apps for profit or for fun. Build a future on it. Andromo. Try something new today.
Hello dear developers! Today we will show you how to quickly create an app on the new Andromo builder. We are at the easy start of our builder. Here are templates on various topics. Having selected any of them, you can proceed to edit it and filling it with your content. You can also create a new project from scratch. Click Create New Project and give it a name. We are invited to go through a short tour of the builder, explaining how it works. We can watch it or we can skip it. First, let's choose the color style of our application. Let's give a name to our dashboard, which is the main screen of our app. Increase the font and change the color of the app bar. Now, let's add a list group to which we will add activities. Let's name the group Collections. Now let's add the activity to our group. Oops, the group title needs more space. Let's add it. Now let's add photos. Let's call our first photo gallery. Add a background picture inside the activity. Now we can customize our activity. Let's add the following activity. Change the background image of all activities. Excellent! The first group of activities is ready. Now let's add a native ad. It must be bound to the list group too. Let's put a background picture for clarity. Save and move on. Now let's add a new group of photo galleries, but already as part of the carousel group. Group title requires more columns. Now we will customize our first activity in this group. Duplicate. Now the carousel group requires more columns. Add content. Excellent, the carousel group is ready. Now let's make another group of galleries. This time, again, the list group, but it will look different. Let's call it favorites. Now let's add photo gallery. Add more columns for the list group title. Customize our photo gallery. Now you can duplicate activities and customize each. Now let's add a link to Google Play. To do this, we need a link card activity, but first, of course, list group. Customize link card. Add an app Google Play link. Our beautiful app is ready. Good luck with your development.